In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to use Day Planner in HorsePower. Day Planner is a fantastic feature in HorsePower. It can really help organise your day, ensure that we're getting on as many promos as possible, and it's just going to speed up the process immensely. So once HorsePower is loaded, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to Bookies, and you're going to hit the Bookie tab. And once you're in the Bookie tab, you just want to ensure whatever bookies that you're interested in, you've got them enabled and you've got the rest disabled. And that's just going to ensure that once you import the promos, that you only have the ones that are available to you. So once you've done that, we're going to cross that out and we're going to head over to the planner. And once you hit planner, your day planner is going to come up. You've got the date here as well, so you can import for the next couple of days if you want. We just focus on today for now. And then simply you're just going to come over to the import function here, hit import from BonusBank promos page. And you can see how quickly that works. Now you've got your whole day's promos here. You can also go to view schedule over here. So if you hit on view schedule, it'll give you a nice little visual of your day and you can kind of organize around that. And now once we cross out the day planner and we head over to the race list, you can see now some of these races are highlighted in yellow. And if you hover over them, it'll tell you exactly where you've got the promos and which bookies it is with as well. And if we click on the race, so we click on this one at Randwick race 3, for example, you can see at the top here, it's going to load all the relevant markets in that bookie and in Betfair as well. And the great thing is we don't have to have anything in this bookies to open automatically tab now. And now if we want to head over to another promo race, you can simply just click on this one. So we go Eagle Farm race 3 and it's going to load up the new race. So we'll head back up into the planner as there's a couple more features as well. So once we hit planner again, you've also got the option to edit or delete any of these promos. So if you press the little blue button, you can edit it. And if you want to delete it, you just hit the little bin. I'm just going to delete these ones for now. So now I've deleted these promos, you've got other options as well. So if you did want to add a promo manually, you can just come over to add promo and then you can select whichever venue. So we go Caulfield. And now you have the option, if it was races 1 through to 6, you can just do 1-6. If it was just specific races, if it was just races, say 2, 5, and 8, you could do 2, 5, 8. And then you'll select the promo type over here. So you've got stake back for placing, stake back for winning, and extra profit. So if we hit stake back for placing, you can change the stake here. 9 times out of 10, it'll be the $50 anyway. And then this is the number of places that the promo is paying. Currently it's at 2, but you can put 3, 4, whatever it is. If you hit 4, it will then select 2nd to 4th. And then you can select whichever bookie you have the promo with. So you can put as many bookies in here as you want as well. And then once you've done that, you just hit the little tick box. And of course, you can add as many promos as you want. So if you want to add another one, Ascot this time, races 1 to 6. And I'll just show you the other promo type. So you've got stake back for winning here. So this is the percentage. Again, 9 times out of 10, it's usually 100%. Sometimes it might be a little bit less, 50%. Or if you're lucky, it could be 200%. You can change that there. Change the stake again. And then you're just going to put whatever bookie it is. And with the extra profit, it's pretty much exactly the same as that. You're just going to change the percentage there to whatever it is. And it really is that simple. And once you cross it out now, you'll see the old races that we deleted have gone. And if we scroll down, you can see the new races with the promos we have are here. So we'll head back into the planner. There's a couple more features as well. So you can actually import from a JSON file or export from a JSON file. So users might share their files or you can share it with other users. And you can import or export them. That pretty much is it. It is very simple to use. You can see how helpful it will be, especially if you've got a few different bookies, few different promos, and you've got a busy Saturday ahead of you. It really will make the process a lot easier. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.